Welcome to Hype Tech Picks. In this video, I'll show you the top 5 best front and rear dash cameras, ranked by price, performance, and features. Whether you're looking to capture crystal clear footage for insurance, protect your car while it's parked, or record every moment of your road trips, these dash cams have you covered. Links to all the products featured are in the description below. Let's get started. Number 1. Vantrue N4. The Vantrue N4 is one of the most complete dash cams on the market, giving you triple-channel coverage with front, rear, and interior recording. The front lens shoots in 4K Ultra HD, while the cabin and rear both capture at 1080p Full HD. This setup ensures every angle of your drive is documented, perfect for families, rideshare drivers, or anyone concerned with full protection. It uses a Sony Starvis sensor, delivering crisp video even in low light conditions. The infrared night vision for the interior camera is a big plus. Passengers and backseat activity remain visible even in total darkness. With a 155-degree wide front lens, 165-degree cabin lens, and 160-degree rear lens, it minimizes blind spots and ensures complete coverage. Another standout is its 24-hour parking mode. With motion detection and impact sensors, the camera springs to life even when your car is parked, recording incidents like hit-and-runs. Thanks to its supercapacitor design, it's more heat-resistant and durable than battery-powered units, which is crucial for hot climates. Users praise its image clarity, durability, and peace of mind. Many reviewers highlight how useful the interior camera is for Uber and Lyft drivers, while others love the reliable parking protection. Downsides? The N4 lacks built-in Wi-Fi, so you'll need to remove the microSD card for playback, and its file sizes are large due to the high resolution. At around $260, the Vantrue N4 delivers full 360-degree protection and reliability, making it a top pick for serious drivers who want maximum coverage.
Number 2 has always been an astonishing choice: the BlackVue DR970X-2CH. If you want premium quality and cloud connectivity, the BlackVue DR970X-2CH is hard to beat. This dual dash cam system features a 4K Ultra HD front camera at 30 FPS and a Full HD rear camera, both powered by Sony Starvis sensors for outstanding clarity, especially in low light. What makes the DR970X stand out is its BlackVue cloud integration. With built-in Wi-Fi, GPS, and optional LTE connectivity, you can monitor your vehicle from anywhere using the BlackVue app. That means you can check live views, track GPS routes, and receive instant notifications if something happens while your car is parked. The design is sleek and discreet, blending seamlessly into your windshield without drawing attention. Inside, the dash cam is loaded with advanced features: event-based recording, buffered parking mode, impact detection, and over-the-air firmware updates. Reviewers rave about its crystal-clear video quality and reliable connectivity. Many professional drivers and fleet managers rely on it for remote monitoring. The drawbacks? At over $400, it's expensive, and some features like full cloud monitoring require a data plan. Installation is also more involved due to hardwiring for parking mode. Still, if you want the best image quality combined with remote cloud access, the BlackVue DR970X-2CH is the gold standard of premium dash cams. Number 3 is the Viofo A329, a dual dash cam that balances solid performance with affordability. It records at 2K Quad HD, 1440p up front, and 1080p at the rear, with Sony Starvis sensors to enhance low-light clarity. Its 140-degree lens offers wide coverage without excessive fisheye distortion. The A329 also features GPS logging, so speed and location data are embedded into your videos, a great feature if you need evidence in case of accidents. It includes parking surveillance with buffered recording, which means it captures video a few seconds before and after an event trigger, not just after. Customers highlight the A329 is a reliable, no-nonsense dash cam. It's praised for its clear footage at night, stable performance, and great value compared to higher-end models. Downsides? include the lack of 4K recording and occasional slow Wi-Fi transfers when downloading clips to a phone. Priced at about $200 or less, the Viofo A329 is a fantastic mid-range option that combines essential features, reliable recording, and fair pricing, making it ideal for everyday drivers who want both front and rear coverage without overspending.
Coming in at number 4, the REDTIGER 4K Dual Dash Cam is a feature-rich option that's especially appealing to budget-conscious drivers who still want 4K recording. The front camera captures in Ultra HD 4K, while the rear provides 1080p coverage. With a 170-degree wide-angle lens, HDR imaging, and WDR technology, it ensures sharp footage in both bright daylight and nighttime conditions. It includes built-in Wi-Fi and GPS, allowing you to check routes, speeds, and video clips directly from your smartphone using the companion app. Its 24-hour parking mode adds extra protection, while the G sensor locks critical footage automatically during sudden impacts. Customers love its easy setup, sharp video quality, and smooth app integration. Some reviewers note that the rear camera cable can be cumbersome during installation, and the mobile app isn't as polished as competitors like BlackVue's. Still, the performance and features you get for the price are impressive. At around $180, the REDTIGER 4K Dual Dash Cam offers premium-level recording quality and smart features at a fraction of the price of high-end brands. Number 5. Rove R2-4K. Rounding out our list is the Rove R2-4K, a popular choice for those who want 4K front-facing coverage at an affordable price. Unlike the others on this list, it's a single-channel dash cam, but it records in 4K Ultra HD at 2160p, offering sharp, detailed footage. It packs useful features like built-in Wi-Fi, GPS, and a companion app for easy video transfer and route tracking. With its 150-degree wide-angle lens, it covers a broad view of the road. The R2-4K also performs decently at night, thanks to enhanced low-light processing, though it doesn't match the premium models. Reviewers appreciate its clear video, user-friendly interface, and excellent customer support. Many note that for around $120, it's hard to find another dash cam that delivers 4K resolution with GPS at this price. Of course, it lacks rear coverage, and some users say video quality dips in extremely low light conditions. For drivers who only need front protection at a budget price, the Rove R2-4K is a reliable and popular choice. Final verdict. And there you have it, our picks for the top 5 best front and rear dash cams. If you want complete 360-degree protection, the Vantrue N4 is your best bet with its triple camera design. For those who demand the highest video quality and cloud access, the BlackVue DR970X-2CH takes the crown. If you're looking for affordable reliability, the Viofo A329 delivers solid performance without breaking the bank. For budget-friendly 4K recording, the REDTIGER 4K is a strong contender. And if you just need front-only 4K at a bargain price, the Rove R2-4K is a great entry-level option.
The best gratitude for the channel is a like and a subscription. And in return, we'll keep introducing you to the best products in terms of price and quality. Let me remind you, links to the products shown are in the description and in the comments. Feel free to write which model you liked most and which one you think is still missing.